Hi, everyone. I'm Dr. Aaron Farberg, a board certified dermatologist based in Dallas, Texas, here to talk to you about a very exciting topic and very exciting prescription that I've been a part of creating. Let's talk timeline. So, while many patients will notice reduced oil production and calmer skin overall in the first several weeks, the full therapeutic effect is going to be seen between 6 and 8 weeks. Now, we also have this three-phase regimen that's mapped out as patients really transition smoothly from active acne to then what are we going to do long term for their skin health? So, again, back to that sort of longer term cycling idea. At the beginning, you have the clear phase. You want to get rid of the active breakout. So that's what we target. We have topical isotretinoin. It regulates cell turnover, while also in the short term, we'll use topical clindamycin, knocks down the bacteria and also the acute inflammation. Moving on, you get to months 4 or 6 or so, you're fading, right? We have all these active, the PIH, the scars, you want to get rid of all that. And so it shifts to this post-inflammatory inflammation, dark marks, let's remove those. So we still continue with the topical isotretinoin with the skin renewal, but it's also paired with tranexamic acid and niacinamide to really even out that skin tone, as well as support the skin barrier. And then we get onto the renew phase. That's, 6 months and beyond or so. This is that long-term maintenance of skin quality. And this formulation, again, includes the topical isotretinoin, but we've also integrated, peptides, everyone's favorite thing, the GHK copper peptide, which supports overall tissue repair, firmness, and texture. My message to my peers would be that this is acne care that is precision, prescription grade dermatology. And you now have another topical option that you can utilize to treat your patients with acne. And I hope you try it. And I look forward to your feedback to hopefully make this even better for all of our patients in the future. Yes, I have a couple more points that I would like to address. Actually, two clinical points that I think are important to highlight, as there has been some misinformation spread by people with several financial conflicts, right? They get paid by other companies. Now, first is antibiotic stewardship. So we did include clindamycin in the initial clear phase, but it was intentionally designed to be short term. We want to aggressively knock down that active inflammation and bacteria without contributing to, a widespread issue of long-term topical antibiotics. So yes, we did follow the AAD guidelines. And finally, let's talk about compounding pharmacy. So Isoclear is a compounded treatment, and it's prepared under Section 503A. Let me read this off. 503A of the Federal Food, Drug, Cosmetic Act. So yeah, it's all official. We've partnered with a premier licensed U.S. compounding pharmacy. We utilize active ingredients sourced strictly from FDA registered and inspected facilities. This gives us the clinical precision to adapt these formulations seamlessly and precisely for each of our patients' individual needs. Millions of compounded prescriptions are utilized in the US every year. So yes, it is safe and well studied. And thank you for your attention.